When the thrill of racing meets the precision of engineering, you get Wincible, the compact wind tunnel that transforms your desk into a testing ground for your die-cast cars. Designed for serious enthusiasts, this gadget doesn't just sit pretty beside your monitor. It brings air, speed, and science right to your fingertips. Built with a love for both model cars and real-world aerodynamics, Wincible lets you simulate airflow like an F1 team. The Vista portable hammock and stand offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience for outdoor relaxation. Designed for those who value both portability and ease of setup, this hammock comes with a lightweight, easy-to-assemble frame that ensures a hassle-free experience wherever you go. Ideal for camping trips, beach days, or backyard lounging, its compact carrying bag allows for easy transportation and storage. The Mini Proca 7 brings performance and portability together in an innovative package. Packed with the powerful AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU, this compact device ensures smooth multitasking and rapid processing speeds. Whether you're working on demanding applications or enjoying high-resolution content, the device excels at providing seamless performance. With DDR5 RAM options ranging from 8GB to 32GB, the Mini Proca 7 adapts to your computing needs, offering efficient memory handling for both casual users and power users alike. Built to outperform the rest, this compact power block delivers more than just watts. It delivers peace of mind. Whether you're juicing up a flagship phone, a tablet on the fly, or even a lightweight laptop, it handles the load without breaking a sweat. With a futuristic, robot-inspired design, the charger stands out without shouting. But what really sets it apart is what's inside. Compatibility. Wider than a football field, this little powerhouse recognizes and works with practically every major fast-charging protocol. Slipping into your jacket pocket like a notepad, the Quill foldable keyboard redefines portable productivity. Engineered at just 2.8mm thick and weighing under 5.3 ounces, this Bluetooth marvel doesn't just travel light, it feels like it's barely there. But once opened, it becomes a full-featured workspace equipped with responsive touch input and satisfying haptic feedback. No bulk, no compromise. Crafted from sleek aluminum alloy, Quill is built to endure yet designed to impress. When sleep matters as much as sound, precision matters. The sleep-optimized speaker delivers high-fidelity audio within a body just 0.43 inches thin, resting flat beneath your pillow without disrupting your comfort. Designed for bedtime use, its 11mm profile ensures it stays discreet while surrounding you in rich, immersive sound without pressing against your ear or causing discomfort. Firing up bold flavors starts with precision heat, and the Gosney Dome S1 delivers with unapologetic power. Its quick-start rolling gas flame surges to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes, transforming ordinary backyard meals into chef-level experiences. Once it hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit, it holds steady, letting you produce Neapolitan-style pizza after pizza without a drop in consistency or temperature. This oven doesn't just cook, it performs. Clean beyond the surface with cutting-edge ultrasonic power, this portable, multifunctional ultrasonic dishwasher is engineered for modern living, compact yet powerful and ready to elevate your kitchen or camping setup. Operating at a frequency of 45 kHz, it creates millions of microscopic cavitation bubbles that scrub away food residue, grease, and bacteria from dishes, baby bottles, fruits, and even delicate items like jewelry and glasses. WavePad's Original 2 pack-adjustable wrist rests are designed to provide lasting comfort and support during long hours of typing or computer use. Crafted with ergonomic memory foam, these wrist pads offer optimal cushioning, reducing pressure on the wrists and helping to prevent discomfort caused by repetitive strain. Whether you're working on a laptop or using a keyboard, these adjustable wrist rests align perfectly with your wrists, promoting a more natural position that alleviates wrist pain and carpal tunnel symptoms. Warmer Lamp is designed to infuse your living space with the perfect balance of fragrance and elegance. With its sleek, modern appearance, it provides an effortless way to enjoy your favorite scents without the need for an open flame. This candle warmer utilizes gentle heat to melt the wax evenly, releasing a rich, aromatic atmosphere that enhances any room. Precision meets purpose in a blade that adapts as swiftly as you do. This isn't just an everyday carry knife, it's a modular tool engineered for those who demand control, durability, and design. Built to evolve with your needs, it combines elite materials with effortless customization. Whether you prefer the sleek feel of titanium, the textured grip of G10, the refined finish of carbon fiber, or the distinct beauty of Damascus steel, the handle transforms in seconds without tools. In your hand lies more than just a tool. It's a studio, a tripod, a stabilizer, and a grip. Multipod transforms the way you capture moments, whether you're hiking rugged trails or shooting in your backyard. Built to be ultra-compact at just 5.5 inches when folded, it easily fits in your pocket or small pouch, yet extends smoothly to over 10 inches for perfect reach and angle. With a single twist, switch between handheld grip, tripod, and selfie stick, no need to carry extra gear. From sketch to structure, concept to creation, Huneet transforms your desk into a production hub. Engineered for precision and built for imagination, this modular robot arm is more than just a tool. It's a full-scale creative companion. With an integrated AI camera, Huneet sees the world like you do, recognizing faces, objects, and patterns with sharp detail, giving your projects intelligent depth. In the evolution of wearable technology, Techno redefines the standard with its AI Glasses series, crafted to blend intelligence with precision. Introducing the Techno AI Glasses and Techno AI Glasses Pro, this pioneering lineup offers more than just smart eyewear. At its core is an industry-leading 50-megapixel smartphone-grade imaging system, capturing ultra-detailed visuals in real time, perfect for dynamic urban landscapes or professional documentation. Let nostalgia nudge you out of bed with the Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo, where the morning grind meets classic gameplay. This interactive alarm clock transforms your wake-up routine using iconic scenes, music, and characters from beloved Nintendo titles. Whether it's the soft rustle of Hyrule's Wind or the jingling coins of the Mushroom Kingdom, Alarmo crafts a dynamic start to your day that feels more like play than obligation. Select your favorite Nintendo title, set a scene, choose a wake-up time, and let Alarmo bring it to life. Lightweight doesn't have to mean limited, and the foldable origami mouse proves it. Built with precision and minimalism in mind, this portable powerhouse weighs in at under 1.41 ounces, making it one of the lightest full-function mice in its category. It's designed to vanish into your travel kit or work bag with zero bulk, then snap into form with a satisfying fold for instant readiness. Bamboo comfort meets minimalist efficiency in this intelligently designed 5-in-1 sleep kit. Built for modern lifestyles, this floor-friendly system is crafted from premium bamboo fabric, soft, breathable, and thermoregulating. Whether you're hosting overnight guests heading out on a weekend camping trip or making the most of a compact living space, this kit adapts with ease. Inside, you'll find a cleverly layered setup, a supportive mat, ergonomic pillow, foldable topper, insulating base, and quilted cover. Introducing a groundbreaking approach to home security, the Ring Always Home. Cam redefines indoor surveillance. This innovative flying camera is designed to travel along custom flight paths, providing you with a comprehensive view of your home, no matter your location. Equipped with 1440 by 1440 HD video, the camera ensures crystal clear imagery, while its built-in LED illuminates dark areas for recording at night or in low-light environments. The Ginkgo Beyond Portable Desk Fan is the perfect combination of function and elegance. The fan features a flat, ultra-thin base and a cylindrical stand crafted from sustainable natural wood, adding a touch of sophistication to your desk or bedside. Equipped with 5 blades, the fan operates quietly while providing powerful airflow, ensuring your space stays cool without any disruptive noise. The Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Pro is designed to enhance your experience with 4 distinct use modes, allowing seamless transitions between typing, sketching, viewing, and reading. The keyboard is fully detachable, offering flexibility when not in use, while the adjustable kickstand ensures up to 50 degrees of customizable viewing angles, making it ideal for any task. This keyboard case features a large click-anywhere trackpad, offering a responsive and reliable interface for navigation. In a world that moves too fast, the Mindy clock invites you to slow down. This handcrafted timepiece isn't just a clock, it's a reminder to be present. Built around a wabi-sabi aesthetic, it honors simplicity, imperfection, and the quiet strength of natural materials. Whether on your desk, shelf, or bedside table, the Mindy clock blends into your space while gently guiding you towards stillness. The soft, non-ticking movement promotes calm, making it easier to build mindful rituals. Choco Dream transforms the way you approach chocolate creations. With the innovative 3D chocolate printing pen, anyone can bring their sweet visions to life in minutes. This game-changing tool allows you to craft stunning, edible designs with ease, whether you're a professional or simply someone who loves chocolate and creative expression. Using the pen, you can create detailed sculptures, custom treats, and personalized chocolates, all from the comfort of your kitchen. The process is simple. Plug in the pen, load your favorite chocolate, and begin sculpting intricate designs that look as good as they taste. A keyboard shouldn't just be functional, it should elevate how you work and play. The Melgeek Modern 97 delivers precisely that, with a fusion of speed, customization, and style in one compact machine. Its sleek, see-through body and refined 97-key layout give you full functionality in a tight footprint, all while maintaining the vital arrow keys. A screw-free one-piece build keeps the frame solid yet elegant. Cluttered desks and tangled cords are a thing of the past. The X-Cool The One Cable 8-in-1 Ultimate Cable brings clean efficiency to your everyday tech life. Designed for seamless charging and syncing, it replaces the need for multiple cables, delivering portability and practicality wherever you go. Built for universal compatibility, it powers everything from USB-C smartphones to Lightning devices with USB-A and USB-C chargers. Simplify your gear and enjoy stress-free charging across all your gadgets. Designed with purpose and built for control, the Vault 2.0 reshapes how you manage your everyday carry. Inspired by the logic of folders and the simplicity of book pages, this modular system redefines functional organization with precision and intent. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or working from multiple locations, Vault 2.0 adapts to your gear and your rhythm. Each size, Mini Light, Flex Pro, and Max Haul, caters to specific carry needs, ensuring your essentials are always where they need to be. In an unexpected leap beyond convention, Kawasaki has unveiled the Corleo, a revolutionary quadrupedal motorcycle that mirrors the stature and movement of a massive robotic canine. Revealed during an auto exhibition in Osaka, Japan, the Corleo defies traditional vehicle design with its biomechanical legs replacing standard wheels. Engineered to stride with precision, each of its 4 articulated limbs features paw-like structures and dynamic joints, allowing the machine to adapt across uneven terrain, climb hills, and maintain stability on rugged landscapes. Ideas move faster when tools adapt to how we think. This device isn't just futuristic, it's built for the now. With a ChatGPT-powered core, it anticipates your questions, refines your prompts, and delivers smarter outputs on the fly. Flick your wrist and you're in control. Its precision, gesture, recognition responds instantly, transforming hand movements into commands with no lag. As an air mouse, it replaces clunky peripherals with effortless motion, ideal for presentations across 10 feet of open space. The Denon AVR X1800H is a powerhouse AV receiver, designed to elevate your home entertainment experience with exceptional 8K video and immersive audio. Perfect for small to medium-sized rooms, this receiver offers a versatile 7.2/5.2.2 channel configuration with support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, delivering a cinematic soundscape that surrounds you from every angle. Enhanced with Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus pass-through, the AVR X1800H gaming excellence now fits in the palm of your hand. The Lenovo Legion Go S rewrites the rules with a handheld device that balances raw power and versatility. Whether you're posted up on the couch or deep into a cross-country trip, this compact gaming machine transforms anywhere into a battleground. Fueled by AMD Ryzen Z2 Go or Z1 Extreme platforms, the Legion Go S delivers the kind of performance usually reserved for full-sized rigs. It rips through demanding titles without stutter, heat, or compromise. Elevate your photography game with the Beetle Camera Clip V2, engineered for rugged efficiency. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, this clip maintains a featherweight profile at just 0.2 pounds, yet boasts an impressive load capacity of up to 66 pounds. Designed for versatility, it accommodates strap widths up to 2.95 inches and thicknesses ranging between 0.04 and 0.59 inches, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Few travel machines blur the boundaries between land, water, and shelter quite like the Triton. Born from a bold vision of eco-adventure, this 3-in-1 amphibious marvel merges the comforts of a micro-camper with the mobility of an electric boat and trike. Designed to seat two and built to tread softly across terrain and tides, the Triton redefines how we connect with nature, silently, sustainably, and without limits. The Insta360 Link-2 C4K webcam stands out as a premium choice for professional streaming, video calls, and gaming. Designed for both PC and Mac, it boasts a 1/2-inch sensor for exceptional clarity and detail. With 4K resolution, your broadcasts or video conferences are captured in stunning visual quality, whether you're working from home or streaming to an audience. One of its standout features is auto-framing, which intelligently adjusts the camera's position to keep you in focus even if you move. Bug-Eye Mini redefines compact navigation for trailblazers and explorers. Designed to guide you through any adventure, this modern compass delivers a 360-degree floating bezel, ensuring precise direction no matter the conditions.